Hello friends, welcome back to one of the courses of Noah Bio. So today we are going to talk about the course and about myself. So this is me and this is Noah Bio. So it was started with the vision in year 2016 that whatever courses or training material or lectures or workshops we are going to conduct, it should be as per the industry standard and it should be good enough so that whoever takes that course, training material or a workshop or join us in a seminar will be good enough to go ahead with some amount of input. So today we are going to talk about in silico ADMET and so the workshop or this course is basically about in silico ADMET of pharmaceutical drugs. So all we know that pharmaceutical drugs have played major role in our life and majority of us are going to take some amount of drugs during our lifetime. For example, majority of us take paracetamol very often. If you have any family member with you, he may be having a problem of BP, he is going to take some drug. If he is having problem of some say blood thinner, then he is going to take some sort of drug and so on. So drugs are going to be part and parcel of life throughout your years. Okay, so that was about introduction, little bit introductions, and first of all, I would like to thank you for buying this course, and I would like to know you know I would like you to know that this course is divided into two main parts. First part, I will explain you about the theory in which you will learn why to do it. So it is always going to be important why we need to do this course, what are the concepts, and why it is so important in the industry. What is ADMET basically? That is absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity of a drug. What we are going to learn in this course basically, theoretical point of view and practically also we are going to do the same. Now, the second part, I will teach you how to do it in a stepwise manner. Trust me, if you follow these steps, you can do it. Remember to read articles shared and solve the quiz to keep this course as interactive as much as possible. So, articles will be shared on you or mail or it will be given in this course tutorial itself. We will update you on that whenever we do any addition to the course. Bioinformatics is volatile, so you need to do a bit of practice, isn't it? So learn, practice, repeat. So this is going to be your funda for throughout the course. Who designed the course? So I am your instructor for the course, myself Lalit Samant. I have designed this course specifically keeping in mind UG and PG syllabus across India. So we have bioinformatics now from UG also, and whenever bioinformatics comes into picture, people are scared of it. So don't worry, this is going to be very simple and we are going to go as a stepwise manner. So you can let me know whenever you have any difficulty. And what is my experience in this teaching field apart from research field? I'm in a teaching field for last 10 plus years. I'm associated with more than 6 colleges across Mumbai for UG and PG courses such as biotech, bioinfo, bioanalytical science, certificate course of bioinformatics, etc. Now, name of the few colleges and deemed universities where I am associated as a moderator, examiner, lecturer, visiting faculty, and so on. Saint Xavier's, Khalsa College, Sophia College, Jhunjhunwala College, D.Y. Patel College, Microbiology Biotech Department, Navi Mumbai, Atmiya University, Microbiology Industrial Department, Microbiology and Industrial Department, Gujarat. So this is little bit about my experience. Now, what are the benefits you are going to learn from this course? You can ask us any query, doubts on Instagram, YouTube, or email us on this two email ID. And you can also suggest us if you want to know anything extra. So you can email us on noahbio and noahbio2020@gmail.com. We are social. So once you join us, you can follow us for different updates on science, biotechnology, bioinformatics. You can follow us on Instagram handle noahbio16 where I have more than 10k plus followers and noahbio micro we have started recently. YouTube channel noahbio which is going to reach somewhere around 4k subscribers. This is going to be a treat for you which is going to be free and you can join us on these two platforms. I have a LinkedIn profile. If you like to know more about me, you can go through that. Okay, and So that's it for the course, and I'm going to be your number one fan, Lalit Saman. Hope you go through this course and let us know what is your experience about this course, and we'll talk about it more in depth very soon. Thank you.